blanket down in my radio. Hey, 313, you know who it is, Dirty Bird in Georgia. I'm back out.
Hello, Dirty Bird. Your friend 28 Mobile, Chicago, on the way.
Okay, maybe not. Take a look.
Hey, Dirty Bird. Hey, Dirty Bird, your friend 28 trying to wave. Hello, Dirty Bird. 28 Mobile, Chicago, looking right now.
Yeah, I run my shit about 1/3 throttle most of the time. 2/3 at the most there. And have a fine night.
No contact, no condition, Dirty Bird with the drop top thick chicken box. No contact, no condition, Dirty Bird in the ATL. 28 Mobile, Chicago, with no condition, got down.
That's a pretty good hammer there. Old Silver Bullet bumping through there. I'm gonna get out of the way. You hear this Dirty Bird 2-pill rocking on.
Hello, Silver Bullet. You're smoking in my receiver. Hey, Silver Bullet, 28 Chicago, looking at you, brother. No condition, Silver Bullet, 28 Mobile, Chicago, go.
Hey, 28, Hammer Slamming Georgia. Hello, 28. Don't burn that steak, come down back there. There's somebody down there. Hey, 28, he's old Hammer Slamming the backwoods. Just the way you want to show you that, baby.
Hello, Hammer Slammer. Long time no speak. 28 Mobile looking at you, break.
Drop top chicken box, man. I want a short diet, a wing, and I'm gone. Great, not up that way. We're gonna hold back time. Be quiet. You made me hungry. I'm rocking on.
Got a little bit rough, Hammer Slammer. Hey, Hammer Slammer, got a little bit rough that time around. I'm trying to get a hold of that Dirty Bird, but I think he's going to 222. But I'm trying to put some weight on that base station too. No contact, no condition on the ATL. 28 Mobile, Chicago.
You're missing 28. Real high Dirty Bird while you're ready to go Chicago. I'm south at ATL. Breaker.
Right there right now, Dirty Bird. I guess I had to wait my turn, man, but trying to get you for a couple minutes. Wanted to let you know I heard you in there, Dirty Bird. Sounded good as always. Hope I can make the trip. If that 222 don't squash me like a bug. And I'm sure trying to put some weight on it. Dirty Bird, 28 wave to go.
Hey, 28, you're doing the thing, man. Hold on. You're doing real good. Hey, 28. Right there. I'm knocking this mail there. Come on.
Got a little bit rough, Dirty Bird. It got a little bit rough, but you said I'm holding my own. I appreciate it, my friend. I heard that. You said I'm holding my own, Dirty Bird. It got a little bit rough, but I heard it all because you said it all. Dirty Bird. Hope I can get it back. 28 Mobile. Ain't got no base station. 28 Mobile, Chicago, going.
good evening, Shotgun. 2 Phil, where you even and gone?
God, Dirty Bird, Mother Nature pulling out, man. I hear that 2 Phil on the pile now. Take it easy, Dirty Bird. I think my Mother Nature shifted on me. Hope I can get it back. Hello, 2 Phil on the pile. 28 Chicago, where you going?
Hey, waving right back there, 28. Yeah, let me get out of the street. I don't want to mess with no drop-top chicken bar. 28, 2 Phil, rock it on.
Yeah, well, you're messing with them. Mother Nature just put you up in my cherry patch. You're all by yourself. Hey, 2 Phil, you're all by yourself. Can you hear me? Break.
Hey, good evening, 88. I heard you bump through there, too. 88, 2 Phil, waving.
Not 2 Phil. Just wanted to let you know you're all by yourself. We're like the later, 2 Phil. Happy Daddy Day coming up. 28 little mobile got all the way down.
I hear both of y'all coming through there a minute ago, 28, old 222 up there in Illinois. He was waving at you. I just rolled that nigga. I heard both of you guys coming in here like stereo, 28, 222, 2 Phil right back.
Tell 222 to get on down to the Super Bowl where it belongs. Tell 222 to take that base station down to the Super Bowl. 28 Mobile. 28 Mobile, I ain't got no base station. Tell him to take that base station down to the Super Bowl. I'm going.
Yeah, that Mobile's old as old. I'm gonna tell you, man. I'm gonna tell you. Hey, 202. 28 said, man, take that damn base station down there to the Super Bowl. Get that damn round plane out of here. Alright, then 28. Hey, I rolled it. 28. That Mobile stroking in Florida. 2 Phil, rock it on.
Bye, 2 Phil. Take it easy. Take care. Happy Daddy Day coming up. I'm trying to hold my own. 28 Mobile smack dab in the middle of the road. I got all the way down.
Good evening, 88. Boy, you got all up in the middle of that mess. Hey, but good evening to you, 88 around Maryland. 2 Phil trying to knock it back up through that mess.